Am I the only one who finds filing income tax returns complicated? Missing a document or two, filling out things I don't need to? Who knows? Well, now we will know. We've compiled a list that you can use if you've been in a similar situation. When you file your income tax returns, the number of documents you need can be a bit overwhelming. But if you section them out into identity proof, proof of income, and proof of deduction, things get a bit simpler. Of course, you need your basic PAN or Aadhaar card, which is your identity proof, and you can submit either of them. A quick tip: link your PAN and Aadhaar to make your tax life simpler. Now, let's talk about proof of income. It's the listing of all your earnings and helps you assess how much tax you really owe. For proof of income, you need Form 16, business income statements, interest income statements, capital gain statements, ELSS proofs. Okay, I am going to stop. Let's go step by step. It's going to be quick and simple, I can guarantee that. So Form 16. Now Form 16 is a certificate issued by your employer that shows the tax deducted from your salary. You should submit your salary slips alongside this, both of which you can get from your employer. If you're not a salaried employee, you should file Form 16A instead. Now this is issued by tax deductors like banks and contractors. Similarly, Form 16B applies if you are earning income from the sale of a property or immovable assets such as rent. Now you can find 16A and 16B on the income tax website. The link to it is also in the description below, so don't worry about it. Now, if you have tax-saving mutual funds that are known as ELSS, that is Equity-Linked Savings Scheme, then you must mention them while filing your income tax so that you can get some benefits in minimizing your taxable income. These documents can be obtained from mutual fund companies or companies like INDmoney. But what about your life insurance premiums, medical expenses, and education expenses? Well, they are also needed for cutting down your taxable income. For this, you can reach out to your insurance provider. And if you've purchased any of these services or invested via INDmoney, then you can get your reports easily. Click on the profile section from the top left bubble on the dashboard. As you scroll down, you'll find the capital gains report as well as ELSS reports. Depending upon the assets you've been investing in, select the option and download your report. It'll either be downloaded on your device or sent to your inbox. For any other mode of income, go through the income tax website to find out which form or proof of income is required from you. I know, that's an insane amount of tax documents. Well, hold on. Just like you're liable to pay taxes, the government is liable to refund any overcharged taxes as well. Now, this is more common than you would think. So, for example, if you are a US stock investor, you should look out for TCS, tax deducted at source, in your Form 26AS. Check out our video on TCS to learn more about how to get a refund on your entire TCS and why was it levied in the first place. Did you also know that up to Rs 1.5 lakh can be claimed as a tax deduction under Section 80C using the documents mentioned above? Well, here's a pro tip. If you pay rent, you can submit your rent receipts. HRA or house rent allowance is a very smart way of minimizing your taxable income if you're a salaried or self-employed individual. A question for you. Do you donate money? If yes, well then save your donation receipts from charitable organizations and submit them as you file your taxes. Using the income tax section 80G, you can use them to minimize your taxable income. The documents listed above are needed to verify your identity, income, and expenses. They also help the income tax department to calculate your tax liability, which means avoiding paying extra tax. But what if you don't have all of these documents? Well, you can still file your income tax return. However, you may need to provide additional information to the income tax department. Links to all the documents discussed in this video can be found in the description below. When we said that we will keep it quick and simple, we meant it. And that's all for today. We hope that this list will be helpful to you while filing your taxes. Do you want a video on tax planning? Well, let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then give us a thumbs up and hit the bell icon to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one.